Monday, February 10th, 8:25. Just got to Camps. It is like a cafe, like breakfast place. I try to come here like every week to get like a coffee and just like plan out my whole week. It's drop week. I'm gonna be vlogging like the whole week. I'm just gonna go into Camps, get some breakfast. I'll see you guys when I pick up the camera next.
Alright, so just got inside Camps. Got some biscuits and gravy with a chai latte. So I'm gonna grab on this real quick. And I'm gonna edit some photos that I took with my brother down in Quartz Mountain. On my iPad, I'm gonna do a little bit of Photoshop and stuff. So I can post those.
What's going on, guys? I just got done. I just got out. It is now 3:42. So I was in there for a really long time, but I got all the stuff done that I need to get done. I edited and finished a YouTube video that I filmed. It will be out before this one. I made a to-do list for the week. I also wrote a couple of scripts for a couple more YouTube videos. My brand, I did creating a TED pack and also creating a 2D mock-up. When I get home, I'm gonna take some product pictures for my brand for this hoodie and the sweatpants to put on my website. I'll also be making a TikTok and an Instagram reel for my ad. But I'll see you guys when I pick up the camera again. What's going on, y'all? Made it back to the house. I'm gonna take some product pictures of these in these sweatpants. I got this like box light right here. I got my tripod. And I got this. I don't know if you guys can see this right here. It's just like a big white backdrop that I'm just gonna like lay out on the ground. Put the box light right over there. I'm gonna change my LED lights to white, so it's like a nice backdrop. So yeah, let's do it. All right, so right here was like too small for the that like white thing to lay off. So I'm just gonna lay it out on top of my carpet I have right here. And now I'm gonna get the tripod. I'm gonna move this up a little more. Turn up the brightness of it. And then we're just gonna lay it out. I'm gonna come like right over here and just take some product pictures with my camera right here. All right, so I got that light staring straight down right here. I'm gonna put this on there, lay it out, make sure it's symmetrical and everything. And I'm just gonna come over just like this and take a picture. And then in Photoshop, I'm going to like Photoshop all the other areas so where it's just the hoodie and the white in the background. I'll show you guys after, but I'm just gonna put it on there. And yeah, I'll show you guys. So now you guys can kind of see the hoodie's pretty symmetrical on there. Just gotta make sure this is kind of puffed out how I like it. All the small little details. Okay. All right, so I just finished taking pictures of the hoodie. Now I'm gonna move on to the pants. All right, so I just took pictures of the pants. I didn't get any on video because I forgot. But I've laid out the hoodie once again to get like another like angle. So I'm gonna video myself photoshopping it. And then that'll wrap up the day. Let's go. Got a little Gatorade and some hot Cheetos, but I'm gonna get the SD card out of the camera and I'm gonna put it in my computer and airdrop them to my iPad. All right, so I got all the pictures on my iPad. As you guys can see, look pretty good. Now I'm just gonna transfer them over to my computer and edit them on Photoshop to get these wrinkles out of the white and have these a nice professional look for my website. All right, so I'm editing my first picture right now. As you guys can see how it's kind of dark up here. I'm using this one tool on Photoshop to lighten it up because it looked a little dark. It's called the Dodge tool. But yeah, so I just removed the background so now it's transparent. So I can put like a real white background on it. Dodge tool to kind of clean up all these shadows over here and make it look lighter. Alright, so here are the pics that I edited and stuff. The white background. So these are the two versions of hoodies. I don't know which one I like more. The side of the pant, the hood, the side of the pant again, with the close-up of the CZY. These are what it looked like before. Like, just look at the difference. Like, here's that one, and then that one. So really clean photo. I'll pick up the camera tomorrow and show you guys the to-do list for tomorrow. But yeah, see you guys then. What's going on, guys? It's Tuesday, about to be 7. I don't know if you guys can see, 6:36. So I haven't really picked up the camera. I haven't picked up the camera actually like at all today. This is my first time picking up the camera. But I just got done editing some Klaviyo forms for my website. So I just made these like little email signups. So this is a code, $5 off the drop day. So it's just some email with the little. So as soon as they sign in to my website's gonna be locked. So they're just gonna see this. I'm also gonna plan a YouTube video. It's how to make like a 2D mock-up. I'm just trying to help like other clothing brand owners. But today wasn't gonna be that busy. I didn't really pick up the camera. I was kind of just chilling. I felt really sick in the morning, so I just kind of slept in a little bit. Tuesday wasn't really gonna be like a busy day anyways. It's just Wednesday, Thursday, Fridays when I'm actually gonna like do a lot of things. But I don't know if I'm gonna pick up the camera again today, but I'll just see you guys when I pick up the camera. What's going on, guys? It's the 12th, Wednesday, 4 o'clock. I just picked up the camera. So a couple things to do today. So I'm going to lock my site and put a password on it. Add my hoodie and sweatpants to my site. Post a couple organic videos. So let's get it. All right, so right now this is what it looks like. It just says opening soon. This is the password. So I'm gonna put a nice picture in the background. I'm gonna change what this says. So I'm just gonna show you guys what I'm gonna do with this, and yeah. All right, so this is what it looks like now. So when someone goes onto my site, they just see this. So you just get notified. It's a little teaser right here. Show you guys. It says February 15th. Just a nice little like video of our collection that we're dropping. Seeing this and watching this, then you guys want to cop early, I'll give you guys the password. The password is literally just cozy. COZY. Early if you guys want to. But so the site doesn't have the new camo collection on it yet, but I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna put it on there. So it says the meaning behind my brand, explains like what cozy really means. Nice little clean site. So yeah, so that is the site right now. I'm about to upload this new stuff to the site. This is what it looks like on their phone. It's just the same thing. So a nice clean site. I'm just gonna put this stuff, all the product pictures I took Monday on the site right now. So let's go. All right, guys, so I just added them to the website and I removed the background and changed my other products that I had, but I'm probably gonna get out the big box light and retake these product pictures. You see, like that looks blue. Like the lighting that I took outside from these two pictures, they just discolored them. But these look really good. So those are on the website looking really good. But I'm gonna redo these product pictures. I'm just gonna have these 4 items on my site when people get in them. I took off the other ones that I had, but I'm just gonna take out the box light and the white backdrop and retake these product pictures for these for this shirt and this hoodie real quick. And yeah, right there. So I just redid those 2 product photos. This is a little darker cream than the hoodie, and it kind of like shows on the photo. But yeah, so I just made it like look a little cleaner. So we got the 2 camo pieces with the just original. So these have a back print on them, and these don't have like, well, that has like a wraparound print, but these just have back prints. So really nice clean little site here. So yeah, cinematic type ad. I just filmed a little shots like I'm behind the back, typing on my computer, showing the Nike logo. So this ad's gonna kind of explain like the meaning behind my brand. I showed like some pictures of this, kind of just had this hoodie on. I measured my pants, but I'm gonna edit it on my computer. I'm gonna show you guys the finished product. But yeah, so I'm just gonna make that real quick and then I should be done for the day. So guys, it's Thursday, February 13th. I'm about to go take these out for some flat lays. I'm gonna take a little videos and take some pictures so I can run ads for them. I'm starting to run ads today. So I'm gonna run 3 different ads. I'm gonna run 2 videos and 1 picture. It's like in the teens out, it's like 19 degrees out right now. So I got some gloves. I'm gonna bring out this hat and I'm just gonna take some photos with this camera. I'm not gonna be outside for very long because it's freaking cold outside. But yeah, so I'll see you guys outside. For the day, guys. Freaking hat. You guys might be wondering, why am I rushing the concrete? All right, so my other phone died, but I just laid them out. So these are the pants. Nice little like contrast between the camo and the concrete. So I'm just gonna take some product pictures like this. I'm gonna take a video for my organic content too. So I'm just gonna do a little bit of content. My other phone, Dad, is on the tripod, is right up there. But yeah, so I'm gonna get this stuff done, and I'll check in with you guys after I'm done. See you. So I just took some product photos of the pants, and I took some video on here, and I took some on my phone. So now I'm just gonna put the hoodie down and take the same thing, and I'm gonna get inside because it's freaking cold. All right, so I just laid out the hoodie. I'll take some product pictures and take some videos with the camera. But yeah, so hoodie looks amazing, dude. Like, just look at the colors, like it just pops. Look at that hood, it just like stays in place. Like that's how you know quality's really thick. It just stays in place like that. So I just took some photos and videos on the camera. So now I'm just gonna take some on my phone to post on like my Instagram and stuff real quick. I'll bring these inside, edit them, crop them, and then I'm gonna make an ad and start running them. So let's go. So we just got inside. I went out to make another TikTok. It was just of me just like fit checking basically. I'm just gonna put music behind it just for my organic content. I'm going to crop them on my iPad, and I'm gonna start my ads in about like an hour or two. So I'm gonna get all 3 of those ads set up and ready to post. And I'm gonna get the measurements for the sweatpants and hoodie I have over there. So I'm just gonna measure them with this. I'm just gonna get the ads ready for today. Post them, upload them, run them. After I put the ads up, I'm gonna get the measurements. I'll probably just hop on the game with my friend. I should be done for the day. So yeah, I'll check in with you guys later. All right, so I just finished up making the ad. You can see right here, it is scheduled. So it's gonna run tonight at 12 at midnight. So it's gonna run at midnight all the way till one day after the drop. So it's gonna have 3 days of runtime. So hopefully I can get some conversions from this. Yeah, so now I'm just gonna do the measurements for the sweatpants and the hoodie, and then I'm just gonna chill. All right, so I just made the sizing charts for the sweatpants and the hoodie. I got small through XXL. Just gonna chill and play some Valorant for the rest of the day, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Going on, guys, so it is Friday. My first time picking up the camera. Just checking with you guys. My ad, just checking on my ad. This one is a picture ad. So this one is running. My site is still closed right now, so I'm just trying to pick up a lot of email subscribers. But I'm hopefully gonna post this video later tonight. But I still gotta do a couple other things today. I gotta edit this vlog. I haven't edited anything for the vlog. I gotta post a couple videos organically for my content. I gotta make sure my site is all cleaned up and everything. So I'm about to hop on my computer and make sure everything's good. So I make sure everything's good for today. So all I have to do today is just check up and make sure everything's up to date. Like make sure my ads are running correctly. I gotta post a TikTok and Instagram and post on my stories. So right now I'm just gonna hop on the computer and show you guys what my site looks like and my password page. Yeah. As you guys can see, the ads are running. This is what my site looks like. So when you get into the site, it just has my logo and it says enter using password with the countdown with the nice little background from the photo shoot. So we got 21 hours till drop. So if you just come down here and it's just join the wait list. So I'm just getting people to join the email subscription list so I can send an email out to them. So right when it hits 1 p.m. tomorrow, people get an email as a reminder to come to the site. We also got a little teaser on the site too. The site looks really nice and clean. If you guys want the code, it's just Cozy, all lowercase. Right here on the screen, just Cozy. A free prize, either get a 10% discount code, 5% discount code, or maybe free shipping. It's just a luck wheel, so if you put your email and number in. But here's what the site looks like right now. So I have 4 products up. I have this shirt, nice cream color shirt, as long with this hoodie. And I'll have my new stuff dropping right here. And I have my ads up and running for Meta and Instagram. So yeah, so the site looks really good. Everything is just perfect. What I gotta do is just post a couple Instagrams and TikToks for the day. All right, so I just posted this one video right here. I don't know if you guys can see. It's just like a fit check with some like leaves and stuff to kind of match the camo and like white theme. See how there's leaves and like a white backdrop? This is the ad that I have up right now. It's just pictures of everything. Some really nice crisp pictures on the concrete. And then this is my other ad that I'm running. It's just like a cinematic video, just like a meaning. Just kind of just tells you like what my meaning behind my brand is. Also just have some other organic posts going on right now, just showing the products off. So yeah, so I'm basically all ready for drop day tomorrow. I'm just gonna send out my email and SMS list tonight just as a reminder. And then I'm also gonna send them out on drop day at 1 p.m. So if you guys are seeing this, make sure to go tap into the drop. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys wanna like and subscribe and hit that bell notification, I'm gonna be posting a drop day vlog as well. So if you guys wanna watch that video and see my results of this drop, make sure to subscribe and turn those bell notifications on down below. But other than that, like always, have a blessed day. Peace out.